Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name's Aisa and I'm really glad you clicked on this video. So today I'm bringing you guys this look, and I'll be using the Sugar Bee Cosmetics palettes for the first time, and I really like how it came out. So if you want to know how I achieved this look, make sure you stay tuned and watch till the end of the video. But before you do so, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and of course give this video a like if you like makeup tutorials like these and you want to see more. And yeah, I'll see you guys at the end of this video. So guys, this tutorial is going to focus mostly on the eyes. I'm going to be using my Sugar Bee Kamaya palette, and I'm going in with that shade Perfect Hue, and I'm just going to pack that into my crease and swipe it on until I get the desired effect. And this is gonna act like a transition color, and just so that all the colors kind of blend in together really nicely. So the next color I'm going to be using is Coral Sand, and I'm gonna focus that mostly on the outer area of my eye and just basically into my crease, just below my crease. The color before I kind of put it right above my crease, but this one I'm really focusing it into the crease, and I'm packing it on until I get my desired color payoff, and just blending everything to make sure that everything is seamless. So the last color and the star of the show is Glamorous Diva, and this is a glitter, I guess a pressed glitter you could say. And guys, I really liked using this glitter. I don't normally use a lot of glitter. I will say though, there is a bit of fallout, but it's normal because it's a glitter, you know, I expected it. So just be careful when you do this. If you use glitters, just be careful when you pack it on because you will have a bit of fallout. So I'm gonna move on to my mascara, and I'm using my Maybelline Sensational Lash Mascara as always. I'm just gonna put that on my upper and lower lashes, and this is going to kind of help blend my lashes that I'm gonna add later on, and just make everything look a little more natural, I guess you could say. So yeah, I'm just adding that on top and on the bottom, and as I've mentioned multiple times, I love this mascara, so definitely go check it out because it's very affordable, okay? So now I'm going into that Sugar Bee Glow Me Sis palette, and I'm using that white shade to just add into my inner corners of my eyes as a highlight. And then I'm gonna move on to the lips, and for my lips I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Cream Kit, and this is the shade Espresso. I'm using this to line my lips. Then afterwards I'm gonna go ahead and use my Nikak New York True Matte Lipstick in the shade Santa Fe. And after I'm done basically adding both of those, I'm gonna add the gloss, and the gloss is from Prissy by Princess. It's in the shade Heaven. I really like this combo. This combo is like my go-to nude lip combo, but I'm trying to branch out of nude lips, you know, because that's what I always do. But yeah, basically I've been liking this combo so far. Oh, and after adding my lip gloss, I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips again a little bit just to define them because they kind of got lost with that gloss. I'll be using these Beauty by BD lashes, and this is the Natural Glam bundle. So guys, we have come to the end of the video. This is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I did use the Sugar Bee Cosmetics palettes for the first time, and I really like the pigment and the color payoff, so I'll definitely be using them in even more tutorials. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me achieve this look, and of course if you want to see more videos from us, hit the subscribe button down below. Tell your mom, your dad, your sister, your dog, your cats, your grandma, whoever to come subscribe to our channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys in our next video. Bye guys.